Ladies and gentlemen, quick video showing you how to take your rear view mirror, convert that into one of the new ones that has forward facing camera, rear facing camera, all of that new technology where it automatically records, and in the event of an accident or anything like that, you have footage proving that or showing what has happened. So it's ideal that you have this in your vehicle, especially if you have youngsters driving. Let's get started. So the device comes nicely packaged up, and here's the screen and all the different components, the camera, the power cord, and all of the tools that you will need to assemble and attach it to the existing rear view mirror that's in place. It's in 1080p HD. It has a slot for your memory card. It takes in and provides power, but you can also plug in an additional phone charger to that charger as well, so you can keep your devices charged up without losing a port. Plenty of cable for the rear camera as well. So my rear view mirror is all shot, so I'm gonna be putting in this new one over it just because. So this is what it's gonna look like installed. So I've taken both the power and the rear camera cord, and I'm holding them together because I'm gonna put them up and feed them behind this panel here. And part of that is this tool right here used to pry back plastic. So using the tool to pry back the plastic, I'm going to feed the cables for the power and for the rear camera up behind the plastic panel in between the windshield. So there's your power, and there's your GPS and your video in. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by connecting up these, and then we're going to just plop it in place with the straps. Before I get too much further with the install, I plugged in the power just to make sure that this thing works. I don't want to install it to find out that it's not working. And here is the camera. Okay, that's the rear view camera, and it's going to be a lot clearer. I have the plastic on it, but anyway, that's working. And yeah, so let's proceed. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take these clips and I'm going to clip them to the back and strap them in. So you're not taking off the old rearview mirror, you're just basically strapping the new one onto the old existing mirror, so you don't have to worry about adhesives or anything like that on your windshield. Right, so my wires and everything are neatly up top. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to continue to feed it. So now I'm just pushing this wire behind here. So I'm now in the trunk. I'm going to remove this pin right here on the left side of the vehicle. So ladies and gentlemen, rather than bore you to death, I continue to feed the wire all the way to the back. The camera for the rear, I screwed that into the license plate bolt right at the license plate area, and then I reclosed up the paneling in the trunk that you saw that I removed. The components were very easy to install, and this This rear view mirror is found in the description below as far as a link to getting the same exact unit. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Power on. It will power on in a second. The power on. Turn it off. And that is what it looks like at night. I don't have my SD card inserted, but it shows you the time. It also shows you the date, and it's a very nice sharp rear view image. And if you want to see the front, just touch it and it shows you the front, as well as record. In the daytime it's full color. At nighttime it's a very bright black and white image. Very nice. Alright, so I can go into the menu options, and it has settings for loop recording, audio recording, time-lapse video, auto power off, date, time, language, frequency, auto screen off, G-sensor sensitivity, parking mode. That parking mode is kind of only comes on when you're reversing. GPS status, volume, guess if you plug in a GPS antenna for your GPS, I don't have that turned on. System reset and all that good stuff, miles per hour. Anyway, it's a very nice high quality screen, and I'm anxious to check it out during the daytime. But it's definitely nice. You have a full footage of your drive. If you get into an accident, or if you accelerate or decelerate, or suddenly it locks that file and puts it for safekeeping so it doesn't overwrite it in case of an accident or anything like that. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.